Good day, guys. Good afternoon. It's May AM today. I just want to analyze gold with you so that we can be able to see what we can expect on tomorrow as a daily trade. So, without any further ado, guys, as you can see, we need to understand the 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 overall trend of the day, which is bullish momentum, as you can see, and then on this bullish momentum, it is like for the whole of last week gold was buying. So now when I go to daily time frame, you see on Monday the market just came here and tested somewhere here. As you can see, it came and tested here, and then from here it kept on pushing. That is why when we you come to weekly time frame, you see this bullish trend. So if that is the case, now when we come to the daily time frame, you can clearly tell that this is our current low, and then here it's our current high. But yet I can still see right here. I feel like the market can likely to come in and test this zone right here. So what I can do now, we need to understand where or how are we going to catch this entry point. Now, let's start on Thursday. On Thursday, that's where the market started to break here. And then if it has broken to that higher high, it means we were like expecting the market to come at least here. The way I analyze, it's not like the way I do, but right now the way I'm doing it, I'm just trying to do something that at least maybe somebody can understand very quickly. When we check here now, we come to um, um, 4 hour time frame. You see, the market it almost came down to test here and then pushes up. So now when I come here now, what I want, I will just mark right here and mark right here and right here. So now um this is Friday candlestick. We are bearish no matter what. We are on a bearish momentum on gold. We are looking anything to buy only on Monday. We don't have to change that. So now we can just go straight to 4 hour time frame. When we come to the 4 hour time frame, what do we see? Look at here. It seems like it want to reject. When we come back to daily, it's not showing the rejection, but on a 4 hour, it seems like it wanted to reject. That is not the case. It's fine. I can jump straight to 4 hour time frame. I mean 30 minutes. I'm sorry, 30 minutes, and then I put my sessions on break. These are the daily stuff. You see where I marked here and marked right here. So this is the New York session um, right here on Friday. This is the New York session. Yeah, yes, this is the New York session. As you can see, it was around 6, and yeah, it was 3:30. Meaning, this zone here, it's very valid. But now, how can we get the buy on gold? And now I can just do this. You see, I have marked it perfectly. This is the session from here until these blue candlesticks. This is a New York time. So since we are there on Monday, what we are expecting to do, we are expecting to buy gold when it comes here during New York session. Remember, I am only dealing with New York session right here. Okay, we are expecting at least maybe a rejection drop during the time of London session until here, and then move up. This that is the only option we can clearly see and tell that on gold we are going to lose. And if we break here, still it's okay. We are on a bearish, I mean on a bullish. It means it can come from here, break, test here, and it can be, but the overall trend of the market it's still bullish. Now let's see on Thursday. On Thursday, if you check here, I want you to see something. If you can check here, remember I said these blue candlesticks, it's these are the session, are the zones of bank zone right here. This is Thursday. Since we see that it's not coming here, we check on our left hand side of our bank zone. When we check here, look what's happening here. It came and breaks here. If I come on a 5 minutes time frame, let me show you. On a 5 minutes time frame, you can clearly see the breakout. You see, it came here and then it breaks here. The moment it breaks here, you don't wait. You just buy from here until to the next bank zone, which is here. You see, that is the only option I see when it comes to gold. When it comes to gold for this, that is why I'm saying that I'm seeing a buying opportunity. Remember, this is Thursday. Friday, again, we check the bank zone. When we check the bank, look at here. This was the bank zone right here. This is the bank zone. I'm sorry, these ladies, they're making noise outside today. And then from here until here, as you can tell, look what happened here. On this was Monday. It came and play along here on a New York. It came and tested here and then drop and come down. Come and play and still it was a sell. Look at it. It dropped until here. Until it came and changed the character. It breaks it. The moment it breaks it was around one. You were not just going to wait for this. You can wait, yes. But look at here. If you look here, this is the zone, yes. But then when we check this, there is this zone here, this one here, it almost came here, but it the moment it breaks here, in fact, it tells you that you know what today we are buying. You were just waiting for the market to drop and then you enter your buy, you hold your trade. Simple as like that. So on Monday, I'm only looking for the buying opportunity. Thank you guys. Thank you.